Here now with Bob Ranc, recently joined MK Products as the National Sales Manager. Bob, what are some of the things that a welding distributor would typically buy from MK Products?
MK has been the leader in push-pull MIG guns, primarily for aluminum. We were the original push-pull gun in 1966. We're fourth generation family-owned company.
Awesome. And you know, some of the people are already doing business here with MK Products. Specifically thinking of those people, what might be something that they don't know about you guys, even though they are already doing business? What might be a hidden gem you could point out to them?
Right now, a real hidden gem that we're doing a lot of are turntables. So we have a small turntable that's, we call the T30, that's a 30-pound weight limit on it. But then we also have one that's a T260, so 260 pounds. It's great for people doing the TIG welding where they need the positioner turntable to do it. We're selling quite a bit, but I still don't think the whole industry realizes we do that.
All right, that's a good one. How about aside from just the products, talk about some of the value that you guys bring as a company, you know, aside from just the products.
Sure. I think one of the big things is we are a made in America company. 95% of all the products that we have are American made. We do everything in California. We have lights out manufacturing. I don't think people realize our manufacturing capabilities. The other thing of value that we bring is if somebody calls us by 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, chances are it will go out the door that day. So from a delivery standpoint, we can really help people that are waiting 6-8 weeks for maybe competitive product. We can usually ship the same day.
Excellent. Okay, there's some distributors maybe that weren't able to make it here to Philadelphia. You were at the SMC. See, you brought some stuff with us. Why don't you take us through the booth and tell them what you would say to them if they were here.
Okay, perfect. First of all, this is our digital MIG gun. What's nice about this is you can have the power source wire feeder up to 50 feet away from this, and by pushing up, down, or memory, you can set your wire speed from the gun. You don't have to keep going back and forth to the power source and reset that. If not, we have our standard guns, standard push-pull guns that come off the wire feeder and power sources. We have what we call the Python line, the Cobra line. We have the Cobra SX, which actually was designed, and unfortunately I don't have it at the booth, is a smaller handled one, and it was designed with women welders in mind. So it's a little smaller profile, a little easier, smaller handle for smaller hands. Some of the other products that we don't have here, though, that we do is our turntables that I just talked about a minute ago. And then the other thing that's going to be very popular here in a little bit is orbital tube welding. As the semiconductor industry is coming back to the United States, the orbital tube welding for the piping for purity in those plants is going to be very important. And we'll be introducing very soon a brand new orbital TIG welding system that we'll have available FabTech in September.